So he's world number one. How he activates.
At the recent World Team Table Tennis Championships match between France and China, many fans were surprised by one thing: how confident and aggressive Flavien Coton looked against Wang Chuqin. Why is Flavien Coton so dangerous against Wang Chuqin? The answer is very simple. He does not give Wang Chuqin an easy third ball attack. Most players, when receiving Wang Chuqin's serve, choose the safe option. They push the ball short. But this is exactly what Wang Chuqin wants. Once you push slightly too high or slightly too long, his forehand explodes immediately. His first forehand attack is one of the strongest in the world. If you stay passive, you are already under pressure. But Flavien Coton played differently, very differently. Instead of pushing, he used the backhand flick almost every time. This is modern table tennis. The backhand flick is no longer just a surprise shot. Today, top young players use it as a main weapon to take control immediately from the receive. Coton's backhand flick was fast, early, and fearless. He contacted the ball very quickly after the bounce, which reduced Wang Chuqin's time to prepare his forehand attack. This completely changed the rally pattern. Instead of Wang Chuqin attacking first, sometimes it was Coton who attacked first. This is why many people say Flavien Coton represents the new generation of European table tennis. His style is aggressive over the table, very compact, very modern, and based on initiative. He does not wait. Meanwhile, Alexis Lebrun has a different approach against Wang Chuqin. Alexis is extremely talented and creative, but against Wang Chuqin, he often pushes the serve more traditionally. The problem is that Wang Chuqin is incredibly dangerous against passive receives. If the push is not perfect, Wang immediately steps around or opens strongly with his forehand topspin. Then the rally becomes very difficult. This does not mean Alexis Lebrun is weaker than Flavien Coton. Not at all. Alexis has beaten many world-class players with his unique style, but stylistically, Coton's aggressive receive game may currently create more direct problems for Wang Chuqin. Another important point is confidence. Young players like Flavien Coton grew up in the modern backhand-dominated era. They are not afraid to flick under pressure. Even against one of the best players in the world, Coton kept trusting his backhand receive. That mentality is very important at the highest level. In modern table tennis, the receive is becoming more and more aggressive. If you only push against elite attackers like Wang Chuqin, you are giving them the first initiative. And against China's top players, losing initiative usually means losing the point.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.